Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Parshuga. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneurs talking about the various print-on-demand websites, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. Well, in today's video guys, I have one amazing way in which you can make more passive income online by selling your art, by selling your designs, by selling your photographs or even your textures, whatever you are creating. As being a creative entrepreneur, you can sell on this website and you can make some passive income online, and it's really an amazing way. And I came across recently, only like I was get started with this platform back in June or July I guess, but then like yesterday only I got my first sale on that. So I'm gonna just talk about which is this website, how you can make more passive income online, and what are the different ways in which you can get more monthly income from your online passive income streams. And it's especially catering to the creative entrepreneurs and to the artists. So without further ado, let's get started with the main part of the video guys. And before moving on to guys, I would really appreciate that if you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, so whenever I upload more such videos, you'll get notified about it. Now you guys may have been heard about this website, or maybe not, I don't know about it, but yeah, it's a way in which you can sell your art, sell your designs, sell your textures, even photographs and videos just as a stock photos, stock art and stock videos. There are many websites out there who offer this facility so that you can sell your art, your textures, your photographs as a stock photos. Some are micro sites, some are big sites and all that. There are various different types of sites, but I'm going to tell you one site that is really working well for me, and yesterday only I got an email from that stating that I got a sale on that. And yeah, so that was really an awesome way to make more passive income online, especially for those people who are creating their own art, who are creating their own textures, or also who are creating their own print-on-demand designs, especially from the scratch. Like if you are the one who are making these designs, who are making these textures, or who are also capturing the different photographs, and you have a collection of photographs that you're selling on these print-on-demand shops or print-on-demand websites, then this website is exactly for you, and you can make more passive income online by selling the same things that you have been creating for your print-on-demand designs on this platform as well guys, because it's specially catering to the creative entrepreneur, for the photographs, for the artists who are creating their work completely from scratch, and they can sell on this platform too and can make more money from their own creative work. So without ado, let me introduce to that website. That is the Adobe Stock or Adobe Stock, whatever you can call it. It's a website where you can sell your stock photos, stock art, stock creative designs on this platform and can make more passive income online. And also guys, it's a micro site, so maybe you can see that for per designs or per artwork that you're selling on this platform. Now guys, it's a type of a micro site, like you won't get much per sale. Like it was like I get almost like $0.30 per sale of my art, so I got that much recently. And like I have came across various different people talking about selling their art, selling their photos on this website, and they sell that their margins ranges from like 0.20 to like $3 per sale of their photos or per sale of their art or creative designs, whatever they are selling on this platform. So there is a big variation between what you are getting from the per sale and your profit margin and all that, but it's really an amazing way guys, and it's a way you can create your own portfolio, because Adobe Stock is really a reputed platform, because it's the same platform which has the Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Lightroom presets software. So it is the same platform which have this these softwares in the market, also the Adobe Creative Cloud and all that. So it's a really a reputed platform, and it's a really an amazing way for those people who are actually making their own design from scratch and who are working hard on their designs, hard on their art, and also capturing the different pictures, the photographs and all that, especially for those people, because this is a reputed platform. They have like submission criteria. You need to have that submission criteria to get selected for submitting your art on their platform. Now guys, if you're like me and who are creating your designs, your print-on-demand designs, your art or your creative work completely from scratch, and even if you are taking photographs, you have beautiful photographs, you have high quality designs and high quality photographs, then this website is exactly for you. In fact, you can create a portfolio on this website, and that portfolio you can use it for showing off on your resume, or even if you can use this portfolio on applying for various different platforms, because Adobe Stock is really a reputed platform. Even if you don't get so much out of it, like the payout from this website is not that huge, because the per photo or per picture you sell on this website gets you like almost ranging from $0.20 to $3 or maybe more than that, but it's not huge, that money you are getting per picture you are selling on the Adobe Stock. But it's really an amazing way in which you can create your own portfolio on a good website, and it's really a good platform, really a reputed platform. So it's really an amazing, guys, and I want to tell you that I get started back in June or July. I don't remember exactly, June or July, when I was creating so many Photoshop textures for my print-on-demand designs, and I create them completely from scratch on the Photoshop, and I love creating these Photoshop textures. So I just uploaded my Photoshop textures on this website, and I just checked through their submission criteria. What is the submission criteria? How to get your art, your designs, your photographs approved on their marketplace and all that. So I did all those work, and like I just uploaded for 2 or 3 months, and then I started working on my other projects and all that. And for a few months I wasn't really active on the Adobe Stock, because I was working on different businesses, different online businesses and all that. So I just uploaded few of my Photoshop textures on this platform, and then I was working on something else. And then yesterday only I got an email stating that I got my first sale in December. That was like 28th December. I got my first sale, which is really awesome. One of my Photoshop textures gets sold on the Adobe Stock, and now guys, I'm finding a great opportunity on this platform. Even though I didn't get so much money from one sale that I got on the Adobe Stock, but if I gonna upload more art on this, then I have like kind of my own portfolio, my own artistic, my own designer portfolio, which I can use for showing, or even for my various different creative projects, for also applying for various different websites. And it's just a kind of a portfolio which I can show it to anyone, and also I'm getting money from it. And also I have also heard that and also guys, I've heard quite few times that many photographers and many creative designers and artists have been hired via this platform, because they were having their portfolio on this platform and their designs were selling, and many people were actually following them and liking them. So they got hired in their own creative job or on their creative entrepreneur journey and all that. So they were hired by this platform because it's really an amazing platform, and many big companies come on this platform to purchase the photographs, the art, the designs and all that. So it's really an amazing way to make more passive income online, and also to show your work to this whole world, because many people actually go on to this website each month and actually purchase art and photos on this website. And it's an amazing way to show your work in front of many people, to get more opportunities for your creative work and all those things. So I hope that this video is really helpful to you, and let me know in the comment section below if you want more detailed video talking more about the Adobe Stock, how you get paid and how you can get approval, and how to get sale, and more tips and tricks. If you want more detailed video on this website, let me know in the comment section below. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.